Happened for 500. Cling, 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 cling. No, I don't even know. Oh, god damn it. Can we tee it off from a different location?
No, that tube has to come off. That's bent too hard to... That's the one... No. Yeah, that's the one that's got a clearance issue. That one's got to come off so we can bend that tube to get away from the exhaust.
God damn it.
Remember.
I remember, but I don't know how I'm gonna get it up in there. It's not wanting to go.
Yeah?
It's like, I need one that's at like a curve, maybe? God damn it. Why did we put on the down pipe?
Because you said let's start by putting on the down pipe?
I did, like a dumbass. I'm gonna need shorter clamps.
Alright, let's see. Yeah, let me see what I can do.
We might just have to take off this down pipe.
No. That I refuse. I'm gonna snake these clamps in between brake lines for days.
Not even close.
Same zip code?
Yeah, you're touching it.
Touching it and releasing the clamp are two different things. Okay, maybe.
I think we're gonna have to take off the down
Fishing
pipe.
expedition?
It's pretty close.
Am I on it?
Yeah, almost. A little bit forward. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
I can't, it's not.
Close it.
I'm trying.
There we go. You're gonna have to choke up on it one more time, maybe. No. You're close. It's just at a bad angle, you know, but.
Now I'm stuck against the line.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to take off the down pipe.
No.
Dude, honestly.
No.
It's not even on there.
It is though. Here, have some. Damn it. Hold on. Needle nose?
Needle nose might work.
No, that swivel's about 2 inches from getting kicked into your head.
Yeah.
Where are my needle nose pliers?
Oh, what a bitch.
Agreed.
Things that should have happened before the turbo went on.
Thank you, Captain Hindsight. Here, you try these from down here.
I don't even know. Maybe like right here. I don't even know. Here. Fucking this down pipe, god damn it. It's just like there's nowhere to approach it, you know? Fuck.